Hello everyone, this is Sresh from SkyMount, and today we are going to learn how to add a single material and how to add two materials to a single wall. Okay, so let us start. So I'll take a wall here, a 9-inch wall of some dimension. For example, let me take it as 20 feet. I'll go to 3D. I'll change my visual style to realistic and I'll change the wall height to level 2, that is 10 feet height here. Okay, so next here what I'll be doing is I'll be adding a single material to my wall here first. So let us see how to add a single material. So I'll first select the wall which I have placed. In property window, here I'll click on edit type. So after you click on edit type, next here I'll be clicking on duplicate. So now why I'm going to click on duplicate here. So if I don't click on duplicate, all my 9-inch wall will be applied with the same material as I'm going to apply for this. So duplicate is must and necessary whenever I'm applying some different material to the wall. Okay, so I'll click on duplicate and you can give the name of the wall whichever you would like to give it. Okay, for example, let me keep it as by default is. Just click on OK. Next I'll click on edit. So next here you can see here you'll be changing the thickness of the wall. So next to that here you're having material option. So I'll just click on by category. I'll open the material browser. So next I'll drop down this home. I'll drop down the Autodesk library. Sometimes what happens is the material browser won't be visible for you. Okay, it will get hide. So here what I have to do is I have to just click on this show hide library panel. So if you click on this, you will get this material option. So I'll drop down this home. I'll drop down this Autodesk material. And next I'll select the material type as per my requirement. Suppose for example let me select it as plaster, or I can select it as masonry. So next in this masonry I'll select the type of material I need to apply here. Okay, so for example if I want to apply brick masonry, so I'll apply this. So just click on add material to document. So after you click on add material to document, you will get some duplicate appearance name here. So for now just click on replace. I'll explain it to you later. So just click on apply, OK, OK and OK. So you can see the materials got applied to the wall. Okay, so this is how you'll be applying a single material to the wall here. So now here let us take how to add two different materials to the single wall. Suppose for this face and for this face, if I need two different materials, so it will be applying two materials to a single wall. So what I'll do here, again I'll select the wall here. So again I'll click on edit type. Again I'll click on duplicate. I'll give the name whatever I want to give. Click on OK. So next here I'll click on edit. So till here the procedure will be same. So next here I'll click on preview. So after you click on preview, here you'll be able to see the floor plan of the wall. So what I will do is I will change my view and I'll make it as section modify type attribute. It means I'll be able to see the section of the wall here. So now here what I need to do is I need to split the wall into two. So here what I'll do is I'll click on insert so that you will get one more layer. So now here what I will do is I will change the thickness of the wall to differentiate the walls here. So totally there's a 9-inch wall. So let me make it as 4.5 inch and 4.5 inch. So if it is not necessary to make it equally, so if you want you can make it as 2 inch and rest you can give for the other side. Okay, so you can equally divide the wall here if required. So next here you can see here the blue portion where it is showing, it means I'll be applying the material that side. So you can see after I select this layer, the blue portion is showing here, it means the material I'll be applying here. And if I select this layer, the material will get applied over here. So just apply the material as per your requirement. So again I'll click on by category and so again I'll select masonry outside. So let me select masonry and I'll apply brick masonry here again. Just click on OK. So next I'll select again by category and I'll apply plaster here. Okay, so next just click on OK. Okay, so you can see here I'm getting brick masonry here, and this side I'm getting a plain white material like this. Okay, so now here you can see the bricks are coming in vertical pattern. Suppose if I want to make it as horizontal, that can also be done. Okay, so that will be coming in the next classes. Okay, so this is how I can apply two materials to a single wall. Now suppose if I again want to apply two materials, but if I want to apply it horizontally, suppose half of the wall if I need tiles and half of the wall I need plaster, so I can apply it like that also. Okay, so let us see here. So again I'll select the wall, I'll click on edit type, duplicate, give the name, click on OK and click on edit. So next again I'll click on preview. So as I've already done here, so it's already there by default. So again I'll click on preview and I'll set the wave as section modify type attribute. So next now here what I'm going to do is I'm going to split the wall into two, but horizontally, not vertically. So here I'll click on split region. I'll go to the preview and at what height you need, you can split the wall here. So you can see it's showing as 5 feet. It means that I'm splitting the wall at 5 feet here. So just click on split. Next I'll click on modify, assign layers and click on insert. So you will get again two layers here. Now what I will do is I'll select any one layer and I'll select the splitted portion of the wall. Okay, so you can see I selected this layer and I selected the splitted portion of the wall. Make sure you don't select both the portion of the wall. You have to select just the splitted portion of the wall. Now select the next layer. You can see automatically the blue portion is showing this side. So again here apply the material as per your requirement. And one more thing, it's not necessary for you that you have to split just once. So if you want, you can split it thrice also. Okay, or twice also. So apply the material as per your requirement. So for example, below I'll apply some tiles. So let me go to tiles and apply tiles here. Next upper portion I'll apply plaster. Here the wall height will be by default 20 feet. Okay, so don't get confused here. So you can see here this is a plain white texture and here there are tiles. Okay, so this is how you can apply material horizontally. Okay, so the first one which I told you was vertically and this is horizontally. Now suppose if I want to apply material here, totally it should be plain and just inside I want to split the wall and I want to apply the material as tiles and plaster. So how can I do it over here? So you can do it by applying both the methods. Okay, so I'll tell you that also. So just select the wall again, click on edit type, duplicate, okay, edit, preview, section modify type attribute. So now here first what I'll do is I'll click on insert and I will first change the thickness of the wall equally. So this becomes vertically. Now here what I will do is I'll click on split region and I'll split the portion of the wall. Again click on modify, assign layers and click on insert. Add the material. Before that, see here, this layer is showing this side, this layer is showing for this. Now select this last layer and select the splitted portion of the wall. So again apply the material as per your requirement. Okay, so this one I'll select it as plaster. This one I'll select it as plaster again. And the last one I will make it as tiles. That is a splitted portion. So you can see here this side you are getting a total white paint, that is a total plaster, and here you are getting it half tiles and half paint. Okay, so you can do it like this, in this way. So this is all about applying materials to the wall. Okay, so how to apply paint to the wall I'll be telling you in the next classes. Okay, so thank you everyone. For more videos you can like and subscribe the video.